Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are hosting a YouTube hop for the Traci Designs creative team, having a play with the brand new collection called Trailblazer. And with today's layout, I wanted to document the special relationship between our oldest son Addison and our sweet dog named Maisie. So this is a hybrid layout, and let me share with you the elements and photos and background that I have printed for this layout. These are two of the photos I took while Addison was recently visiting with us. This is one of the frames in the collection that I backed with some embellishments and pattern papers and then printed it on vellum. This is my background. It consists very simply of a couple of pattern papers and several of the mixed media elements in the collection. Notice the strong vertical line emphasized by the green pattern paper, and there's the blue side sort of reads very calm, and then the stripes add some visual interest to the right hand side. And then these are some of the embellishments that I have printed and cut using my silhouette. I do print on Staples brand matte photo paper usually, and I use a Canon IX6820 printer. It's a wide format printer. And then I use the Silhouette Cameo 4 for pinning and cutting. And so my idea for this layout was to counterbalance the stripes with the feathers in this collection. There were 2 feathers in the Ellie's pack and 2 in the stickers pack. And so adding quite a bit of visual interest here on this side of the layout. So I just copied and pasted those in the silhouette and printed and cut them using my silhouette here. And now, after arranging them on that side, I'm going to just adhere them down with my tape runner. And this sort of continues that horizontal line. And what we've got here now is an intersection. We've got an intersection between the horizontal lines going up the layout and intersecting with the strong vertical line of that green patterned paper strip. And this automatically creates a movement up. It helps move your eye up the layout. And what I'm going to do is balance that on the other side, on the right hand side, with the frame element now that's printed on the vellum. And so you'll see how all of this comes together. The mixed media elements are placed on the background to support the frame element, the photos, and the title, which is going to go at the bottom of the layout. And so notice how the photos here are going to overlap just right on that green vertical line. Just meeting here at the intersection point to say, look here, this is where you want to look first. And obviously the puppy's face catches your eye right there, almost in the center, but not quite. Right? We're just working slightly to the left of center. That sounds like my life. I'm always slightly to the left of center. So here you can see the balancing act here with the vellum strip. And so now we have this almost, it's a pretty asymmetrical design, right? But balancing each other out between the vellum frame and the green stripe and the feathers on the left-hand side. And then everything here in the middle is the main event here, the photos and the journaling. I created the journaling using a cloud embellishment in this collection and added my text to it before printing. And then the title here is Stay Wild, created with the kind of fluorescent-ish title pieces in the collection as well. I've also paired that with the Go Your Own Way word strip there, and then having a little fun with the clouds here. There's a couple that are underneath the cow skull and the rope next to the title. That's the supporting embellishment cluster. And then I'm also using the clouds as a foundation for the word strips that are located on each of the photos. And I'm kind of doing this layout is for Addison's album to document his relationship with Maisie. And so there's kind of two purposes behind the words that I chose here. One is the Stay Wild, which refers to Maisie as a puppy and how sometimes unhinged she can be, but also the idea of Addison making his own way in the world and having this home base here to help him and support him as he goes about making his life. So basically, that completes the layout here for you today. I hope you've been inspired. Please check out the other videos and contributors that are participating in this YouTube hop. I will have all the names listed down below for you, and of course the product links. And again, as always, I just thank you so much for following along with me today, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.